chapter, that is fraction and decimal. And the first topic is fraction. So what is mean by fraction? Till now you know what is mean by whole number, that is complete number 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does the fraction implies? Fraction यानी होता क्या है? Fraction means numerical quantity. Fraction is nothing but numerical quantity which does not whole number, means the numerical quantity which is not the complete value, it is in the part. Okay, for example, suppose consider this as a birthday cake. Okay, in birthday party, the birthday cake is divided into 4 parts, and you eat one out of that 4 part. एक केक है, उसको 4 हिस्सों में डिवाइड करो. So if you eat one part out of this, so how much you eat? One part out of how much? Total 4 part. Means you eat 1/4 of the birthday cake. Means you eat 1/4 of birthday cake. Suppose ये पिज्जा की स्लाइस है, ओके, 6 स्लाइस. You order pizza from the Domino's and you eat 3 slices of it. Okay, आपने कितनी स्लाइस खाई? 3. Out of how many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5. So you eat 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is nothing but fraction. 3 by 5 is not a complete number. Fraction क्या है? जो complete number नहीं है. Okay, that is complete. 3 parts आपने खा लिए. So means how much you eat? 3 by 5. एक पार्ट केक का खा लिया आपने, so you eat 1 out of 4. Okay, now see, fraction can be represented in 3 forms. Fraction as a part of group. First, fraction as a part of whole. Let's see first part, fraction as a part of whole. Suppose the birthday cake, okay, you have one party and divided among the 4 parts, 4 equal parts, and you eat 1 part out of that. So how much you eat? 1. Out of how much part? 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. Suppose you eat 2 parts out of it. So how much you eat? You eat 2 parts out of 4. That is nothing but fractional value. If you further divide it, it will become 1 by 2. If you eat 3 parts of a whole cake, so the fractional value becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Right? And if you eat 4 parts out of 4, that means you eat 1 complete cake. That is nothing but fractional value. Fraction is represented as numerator divided by denominator. What I told, fraction is nothing but numerical quantity which does not whole quantity, जो whole number नहीं है. First is fraction as a part of whole. Second, fraction as a part of group. Right? Suppose your father brings 6 tennis ball for you. Okay, you and your brother. आपके पिताजी ने 6 टेनिस बॉल लाए, ठीक है, आपके और आपके भाई के लिए. Yes, and you take 2 out of them. Right? एक बॉल का सेट है, इसमें से आपने 2 लिए और 4 अपने भाई के लिए छोड़े. So how much you take? 2 balls. Out of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you take 1/3. If you divide this further, 2 1 1, 2 3 3. So you take 1/3 fraction. That is nothing but fraction as a part of group. जैसे समझ लो, एक बॉल में कितने बॉल होते हैं? 6 बॉल होते हैं. राइट? अब बुमराह ऑलरेडी 2 बॉल डाल चुका है. राइट? तो वो कितनी और डाल चुका है? 2 by 6. Or you can say 1/3 over is completed. That is nothing but fraction as a part of group. And last one, fraction as a part of division. Fraction as a part of division. 5 divided by 7, it is also the fraction. 5 divided by 7, it is also represented as a fraction. 3 divided by 4, it is also represented as a fraction. Fraction as a part of whole, fraction as a part of group, and fraction as a part of division. Fraction का मतलब समझ में आया, which is represented in the form of numerator and denominator. ऐसी quantity जो किस में represent करते हैं, numerator और denominator. The fraction having 3 subparts, that is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, and last one is unit fraction. Right? Proper fraction. As you all of you know that fraction यानी क्या? Numerator by denominator. ऐसी quantity है जिसमें numerator और denominator दोनों. So proper fraction means the fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Proper fraction means what? In which numerator is less than denominator. That is nothing but proper fraction. 3 divided by 7. Numerator छोटा है, denominator बड़ा है, so this is nothing but proper fraction. 6 divided by 8. Numerator is greater than denominator, so it's a proper fraction. 2 divided by 5. Right? This is called as a proper fraction. Proper fraction है क्या? जिसमें numerator छोटा हो और denominator की value बड़ी हो. That is proper fraction. Improper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. That is nothing but improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. 7 by 4, 9 by 5. See, numerator is greater, 9 बड़ा है, 5 छोटा है, so it is nothing but improper fraction. 10 divided by 7. Again, numerator is greater, so it is nothing but improper fraction. जिसमें numerator बड़ा हो, denominator छोटा हो, वो improper fraction. और जिसमें numerator छोटा है, denominator बड़ा है, that is nothing but proper fraction. Unit fraction, a fraction in which numerator is 1. A fraction in which numerator is 1. 1 by 7 is unit fraction. 1 by 3 is a unit fraction. 1 by any, these are nothing but the unit fraction. Now, next topic we will see, but that improper fraction can be represented as in the form of mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be represented as in the form of mixed fraction. Right? What is in the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means it contains whole number as well as proper fraction. 3 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. This is called as a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction यानी क्या? जिसमें whole group भी होगा और proper fraction भी होगा. So this can be represented in the form of proper fraction, improper fraction, and improper fraction can be represented in the form of mixed fraction. See, अब इसको convert कैसे करने का? This is the whole number, numerator and denominator. What is the formula? Whole multiplied by denominator, plus numerator, n for numerator, and divided by denominator. Right? So what is this? Whole 3, denominator 5, plus 2 numerator divided by denominator. So 15 plus 2 divided by 5. So it can be represented as 17 by 5. So 17 by 5 is an improper fraction, can be represented as 3 2 by 5. 3 into 2 by 5. Okay. Let's see one more example. Mixed fraction. 6 4 by 5. It's a mixed fraction, right? आपको क्या करना है, इनका मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है, फिर इसमें ऐड करना है और डिवाइडेड बाय दिस, so it will become 6 into 5 plus 4 divided by 5, 13 plus 4 divided by 5, so it will become 34 by 5. Okay, three types are there: proper fraction, improper fraction and unit fraction. Proper fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator, and last mixed fraction which contains, unit fraction which is 1 divided by any number, it's nothing but unit fraction. Okay, and improper fraction is also represented in the form of mixed fraction, right? Now let's see one example. Find equivalent of 3 by 5. One fractional quantity is given to you and you have to find out equivalent. What is meant by equivalent? Suppose find 4 equivalent of 3 by 5. यानी आपको 3 by 5 के ऐसे कौन से नंबर है जो उसको इक्विवेलेंट है वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय द सेम नंबर. Simply multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. See, 3 by 5, multiply both numerator and denominator by same number, you will get one number. 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10. So 6 by 10 is equivalent to 3 by 5. 6 by 10 is equivalent to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 आपका नंबर है, मल्टीप्लाई करो दोनों किससे, कोई भी नंबर से. Put the next number 3. 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 3, 15. This is the next equivalent number. 3 into 4, 5 into 4, 12 by 20. 3 by 5. अब next number ले लो 5. So it will become 15 by 25. So you can say that 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20. And 15 by 25, these 4 numbers are equivalent to 3 by 5. These 4 numbers are equivalent to 5. Okay, let's see some more examples. Let's see one problem. Sagar solved 2 by 6 part of exercise while Amit solved 4 by 5 part of it. Who solved the lesser part? Okay, दो स्टूडेंट्स हैं सागर और अमित, उनको होमवर्क दिया गया है. तो उस होमवर्क में से सागर ने 2 by 6 पार्ट कंप्लीट कर चुका है और अमित जो है 4 by 5 पार्ट कंप्लीट कर चुका है. और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है हु सॉल्व्ड लेसर पार्ट, किसने कम सॉल्व किया, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वी राइट सागर हाउ मच पार्ट ही सॉल्व्ड 2 by 6. सो राइट डाउन 2 by 6. Amit solved how much of exercise? Amit solved 4 by 5 of exercise, right? 2 by 6 and 4 by 5. So see the denominator. This part is already covered in your last year syllabus. So find out the LCM of 6 and 5. LCM of denominator, LCM of 6 and 5. What is the LCM of 6 and 5? Is 30. The LCM is 30. You can cross multiply or find out by the testing method. You will find LCM is 30. So what you have to do? You have to convert this into like fraction. You have to convert into like fraction. Okay? So convert 6 into 30. LCM is 30. So which number you have to multiply here to make a 6 to 30? 6 को 30 बनाने के लिए आपने कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया? 5 से. So can multiply numerator also by 5. So you will get 10. You will get 10. To convert 4 by 5, denominator 30. 5 को 30 बनाने के लिए आपने कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया? 6 से. So multiply 4 by 6. So it will become 24. To become 24. You can compare two quantities, that is this quantity and this quantity. When these are the like fraction. When these are the like fraction. What is in the like fraction? What is in the like fraction? Like fraction are those whose denominator is same. Like fraction are those. What is in the like fraction? Whose denominator is same. 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 13 by 8, 15 by 8, 18 by 8. These are the like fraction because their denominator is same. अगर आपको कोई भी चीज कंपेयर करनी है, सब्सट्रैक्ट करनी है, ऐड करनी है, so convert that into like fraction, so it will become easy, right? हमने क्या किया? सागर ने 2 by 6 पार्ट कंप्लीट किया है, अमित ने 4 by 5 कंप्लीट किया है. So we take the LCM of that. LCM is 30. So make this denominator 30. 6 को 30 बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया? 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So if you multiply denominator by 5, so multiply numerator by 5. So it will become 10 by 30. 5 को 30 बनाने के लिए हमने 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. So multiply 6 by that. So we have two quantities, 10 by 30 and 24 by 30. 24 by 30. So which is greater? This one. Because numerator is 10. This is greater. And who solve the less? 10 by 30. So who solve the less? 2 by 6. So Sagar solve lesser part. Sagar solve lesser part. Okay? Have you understood like fraction? Like fraction है क्या? ऐसे numbers जिसका denominator same है. Okay? Hope you understand this part. Thank you.